Go Green Television. Green Vibes, Real Lives.
Behind every spotlight moment is a team making it happen. And one of them is right here with me. My name is Miss Charles, and we are in the deep vibe of East Africa Fashion Life and International Small Commodities Expo here at Sarit Center. And we are going to be communicating with them one-on-one. Let's pull back at the curtain. As we promised you earlier, that you will be interacting with one of the organizers. Here we are with one of them. Hi.
Hi.
What's your name? Kindly introduce yourself and your role in preparation in this expo.
Okay, my name is Wesley Shimode.
Yes.
I'm one of the leading organizers
Yes.
under Afripic Expo,
Yes.
whereby we've been organizing expos for the last 8 years within Kenya.
Yes.
And this is the second edition of the Fashion Life Show.
That's great, Wesley. If you can briefly explain to us what's your theme. Is there a theme in this expo? And if there is, what inspired you in relation to Fashion Life and the small commodities expo that we are having right here?
Okay, so apparently the main theme for this expo is fashion and small commodities.
Yes.
We've come to learn that over time, most people are looking for quality and affordable.
Yes.
That is beauty products,
Yes.
cosmetics,
Yes, and
cosmetics and hair products,
Yes.
apparel, and also when it comes to the small commodities, that is, for instance, electronics,
Yes.
appliances,
Yes.
baby products. You get that people really need them, but then the cost of acquisition in the Kenyan market is quite exorbitant.
That's great.
And now we are trying to create that platform whereby affordability is key,
Yes.
and also access
Yes.
is another aspect that we are looking at.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you so much. And how about the challenges that you guys faced into preparation of this expo?
Okay, so apparently the challenges that we faced is bringing on board local, I can call them local business people to come on board and showcase their products or
Yes.
even services to the people who are coming in, because we pride ourselves as a leading exhibition company, because we normally have great turnout when it comes to visitors at the exhibitions.
That's great. So as we wind up briefly, can you tell us what are your expectations as a lead organizer?
Okay, as a leading organizer and also as the organizer of this expo,
Yes.
we are looking forward to ensuring and also facilitating that good working rapport
Yes.
between the international manufacturers and the local retailers.
Go Green Television. Green Vibes, Real Lives.